In this video, we are diving into an exciting topic that's sure to rev up the interest of truck enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The top 7 reliable pickup trucks to consider buying. Are you tired of poor fuel efficiency? Does your pickup truck have a comfortable ride? Does your pickup truck lack safety features? Whether you're a seasoned truck owner or a first-time buyer, stick around. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer picture of what to look for in a reliable pickup and which models are worth your investment without wasting your hard-earned money. Let's get started. Number 7. Ford F-150. With a starting price of $43,995, the Ford F-150 has long been celebrated for its versatility and reliability, making it a favorite among truck enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. One of the standout features of the F-150 is its impressive range of powerful engines, from the efficient turbocharged V6 to the robust V8 options. There's an engine to suit every need. Whether you are looking for fuel efficiency or raw power, this variety allows drivers to choose a configuration that balances performance with economy, ensuring that you get the best of both worlds. Inside, the F-150 boasts a spacious cabin designed for comfort and convenience, with ample legroom and high-quality materials. Passengers can enjoy a pleasant ride whether on short trips or long hauls. The user-friendly technology features, including Ford's SYNC infotainment system, make it easy to stay connected and entertained on the go. With options for advanced safety features, the F-150 prioritizes driver and passenger security. Another significant advantage of the Ford F-150 is its strong resale value. Many owners find that their trucks retain their worth exceptionally well over time, making them a smart investment. Coupled with high customer satisfaction ratings, the F-150 continues to be a top choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile pickup. Whether you need a workhorse for tough jobs or a family vehicle for weekend adventures, the Ford F-150 delivers on all fronts, solidifying its place as a leader in the truck market. Number 6. Honda Ridgeline. With a starting price of $40,150, the Honda Ridgeline stands out in the crowded pickup truck market with its unique design and impressive versatility. Unlike traditional trucks, the Ridgeline features a unibody construction, which not only enhances its ride quality but also contributes to its sleek, car-like appearance. This design allows for a spacious interior that comfortably seats up to 5 passengers, making it an excellent choice for families who need both utility and comfort. One of the standout features of the Ridgeline is its innovative truck bed, which includes a built-in trunk for secure storage and a dual-action tailgate that can swing open or drop down. This practicality makes it perfect for hauling gear for work or family outings. Additionally, the Ridgeline's all-wheel drive system ensures that it can handle various terrains, whether you are navigating city streets or heading off the beaten path. Safety is another area where the Ridgeline excels, consistently earning high ratings in crash tests. With advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, you can feel confident knowing that you and your passengers are well protected. Overall, the Honda Ridgeline is a reliable choice for those who need a truck that can seamlessly transition from work to family life. Its combination of comfort, safety, and practicality makes it a standout option for anyone in the market for a dependable pickup. Number 5. Nissan Titan. With a starting price of $46,040, the Nissan Titan stands out in the competitive pickup truck market, offering a blend of reliability and unique features that appeal to a wide range of buyers. At the heart of the Titan is its powerful 5.6-liter V8 engine, which delivers robust performance and impressive towing towing capabilities with a maximum towing capacity of up to 9,400 pounds. The Titan is well equipped to handle trailers, boats, and other heavy loads, making it an excellent choice for those who require a dependable workhorse. Safety is a top priority for the Nissan Titan, and it has received commendable safety ratings from organizations like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The Titan comes standard with a suite of advanced safety features including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These technologies not only enhance driver confidence but also contribute to the overall reliability of the vehicle. Inside, the Nissan Titan offers a spacious and comfortable interior that prioritizes passenger comfort, with generous legroom and headroom. Both front and rear passengers can enjoy a relaxed ride. The cabin is designed with high-quality materials, giving it a refined feel. Additionally, the user-friendly technology features, including an intuitive infotainment system with a large touch screen, smartphone integration, and available navigation, make it easy to stay connected and entertained on the road. Another noteworthy aspect of the Nissan Titan is its impressive warranty coverage, which includes a 5-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. This extensive coverage provides peace of mind for buyers, reinforcing the brand's commitment to reliability. Customer feedback often highlights the Titan's durability and performance, with many owners expressing satisfaction with their purchase. With its powerful engine, spacious interior, user-friendly technology, and strong warranty, the Nissan Titan is a compelling option for anyone seeking a reliable pickup truck. Recent updates to the Titan have further boosted its appeal. The latest models feature an upgraded infotainment system with a large touchscreen and improved connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additionally, the Titan now offers enhanced interior materials and design, providing a more comfortable and upscale driving experience. Overall, the Nissan Titan combines a powerful engine, strong towing capabilities, and a commitment to safety, making it a reliable choice for buyers. With its unique features and recent improvements, the Titan is poised to meet the needs of both work and leisure enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Ram 1500. With a starting price of $43,025, the Ram 1500 has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable and appealing pickup trucks on the market, and it's easy to see why. One of its standout features is the remarkably smooth ride, which is often compared to that of a luxury vehicle. Thanks to its advanced suspension system, the Ram 1500 absorbs bumps and rough terrain with ease, providing a comfortable driving experience whether you are on the highway or navigating off-road trails. Inside, the Ram 1500 boasts an upscale interior quality that rivals many luxury SUVs. High-quality materials, spacious seating, and thoughtful design elements create an inviting cabin that enhances the overall driving experience. The user-friendly infotainment system, complete with a large touchscreen and intuitive controls, ensures that drivers can easily access navigation, music, and other essential features. The Ram 1500 has also received numerous awards and accolades, reinforcing its reliability in the pickup segment. It has been recognized as the Motor Trend Truck of the Year multiple times, a testament to its exceptional performance and quality. Overall, the Ram 1500 combines comfort, practicality, and reliability, making it a top choice for buyers. Number 3. Nissan Frontier. With a starting price of $33,450, the Nissan Frontier is making waves as a reliable and appealing choice for buyers, particularly for those who value ruggedness and versatility. One of the standout features of the Frontier is its robust design, which is built to withstand tough conditions and off-road adventures with a high ground clearance and durable chassis. This truck is equipped to handle rough terrain, making it an excellent option for outdoor enthusiasts and those who needs a dependable vehicle for work or play. Affordability is another significant advantage of the Nissan Frontier. Compared to many competitors in the mid-size truck segment, the Frontier offers great value for money without compromising on essential features. Its competitive pricing allows buyers to enjoy a reliable pickup without breaking the bank, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In addition to its ruggedness and affordability, the Frontier has seen notable improvements in safety and technology features. The latest models come equipped with advanced safety systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and rear cross-traffic alert, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Furthermore, the Frontier's infotainment system has been upgraded to include a larger touchscreen, smartphone integration, and enhanced audio options, providing a modern driving experience. With its combination of rugged design, affordability, and improved safety and technology features, the Nissan Frontier stands out as a reliable and appealing choice for buyers looking for a dependable pickup truck. Number 2. Chevrolet Colorado. With a starting price of $31,900. The Chevrolet Colorado has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable mid-size pickup trucks on the market, and for good reason. With its strong performance and versatility, the Colorado is designed to meet a variety of driving needs. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged off-road trails, its robust engine options, including a powerful V6 and a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder, provide the perfect balance of power and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both work and play. One of the standout features of the Colorado is its impressive fuel efficiency. With advanced engineering, this truck offers competitive miles per gallon, allowing you to go further on each tank. This is particularly beneficial for those who rely on their trucks for daily commuting or long road trips. Safety is another area where Colorado shines, equipped with advanced safety features such as lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and a rear view camera. It prioritizes driver and passenger protection. These features not only enhance safety but also contribute to the overall driving experience. Overall, the Chevrolet Colorado stands out as a top choice for anyone seeking a dependable and versatile pickup truck. Number 1. Ford Ranger. With a starting price of $33,080, the Ford Ranger has made a name for itself as one of the most reliable pickup trucks on the market, and for good reason. Known for its robust construction and dependable performance, the Ranger is a favorite among truck enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. One of its standout features is its impressive towing capacity, which can handle up to 7,500 pounds when properly equipped. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need to hold trailers, boats, or other heavy loads with confidence. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Ranger excels, offering competitive mileage for a mid-sized truck. This means you can enjoy the power and capability of a pickup without constantly worrying about fuel costs. Safety is paramount, and the Ranger doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, earning high marks in customer satisfaction ratings. Overall, the Ford Ranger delivers exceptional value for money, combining reliability, performance, and modern features that make it a top choice for anyone in the market for a dependable pickup truck. After introducing these 7 reliable pickup trucks to consider buying, which one surprised you the most? Comment below and share your reason why.